I'm now in the Webolton paperback machine workshop. We have 250, model 250, and we have model 350. This is a Webolton 250 with two color inline. Your machine will similar like this. It includes the unwinder. It's pneumatic, automatic to load the material up and down. Close to the air shaft, we have a sensor. This sensor to checking the paper roll diameter, and also for the tension, check for the tension. And for web guider, we use Italy Selection. We use Italy Selection web guider. It includes the ultrasonic sensor here. This is ultrasonic sensor, blanket, and the motor. And the web guider controller, Selection from Italy. Then is the printing unit. Here you can see it's two color. What you want is 4 color. For the printing unit, it will come like this. The printing press station, 1 station. 4 color will have 4 stations, same like this. It's close the doctor chamber, and with a ceramic roller. And here, you will put cylinder here. 1 cylinder for 1 repeat printing length. And here is the sensor for pneumatic cylinder up and down. When printing, the cylinder will pneumatic down, and when stop, the cylinder will pneumatic up. And with this system, it's very easy. It's very easy to change the ink blade here. Only takes about a few minutes, like 4 or 5 minutes to change the printing blade inside. To adjust this screw, you can adjust the pressure of the inking. That means the pressure for the ceramic roller and the ink blade. Press here and adjust this screw. Then you can change the pressure of the cylinder and the ceramic roller. And you can see here is driving system. It's hot driving system with a fan. So after printing, the ink will be dry very quickly. After printing press, it comes to this unit. You can put the film here. The film roller here, if you make a paper bag with a plastic window, you can put the film roll here. And then it's the hot melt nozzle. 1 nozzle here to make the film and the paper stick together. We use a Chinese brand for standard configuration, and we also have this robotic Switzerland robotic hot melt gluing machine for optional. For standard, we use Chinese 新百顺. As the standard configuration, we have worked with the 新百顺hot melt gluing machine for many years. It's very good, and the after sale service is very quickly. After the film unwind, then it goes to the paper perforation. You can see here are two adjusting wheel, 1, 2. It's used for the to adjust the perforation pressure and change the perforate knife left and right. You can, even though the machine is running, you can use the hand wheel to change. No stop. And then it goes to the perforation station here. Here, this is a cover to protect the operator from injured from the perforation shaft. Once the cover is open, then the machine will stop automatically, immediately. In every station, in every unit, there is emergency stop switch. Once emergency happens, then you can press it. The machine will stop immediately. The perforation is controlled by servo motor. It's controlled by servo motor from Germany lens. And there are two sensors to check the original location of the shaft. Once the original points run away, then the machine will stop an alarm and show on the arrow page. Servo motor for the perforation. It is from Germany lens. There is a printing code checking sensor. It's from Germany lens. Once catch the printing code lost, you can set the number on the touch screen. Once catch the printing code lost, the machine will stop and then showing on the arrow page, and alarm and showing on the arrow page. Here is an infrared sensor to check if the paper break before the paper coming into the tube forming unit. If the paper breaks, and then the machine will stop an alarm and show on the arrow page. Here on the tube forming unit, there is another hot melt gluing nozzle to stick the another side with the film and the paper. If you use the paper only, you make the paper bag without plastic window, then it will come with the cold glue system. Here is a side gluing nozzle for water-based glue, for cold glue. The glue is supplied with the gluing tank. This is the cold glue supplying tank. We have one tank for side glue only. We use a propulsion wheel to control the side gluing speed. The side gluing speed from the side gluing nozzle will change as the machine speed change. After tube forming, the paper will be sheet into pieces. The tube will be sheet into pieces. Here we use one roller to press and one roller to pull. So it's here for the sheeting there is no knife. There is no knife here. It's breaking. The paper is pressed and pulled and then break into pieces. It's controlled by servo motor from the servo motor from Germany lens. The servo motor from Germany lens. There is a sensor to check the original location of the braking roller. If the original location changes, then the machine will stop and show on the error page. After the paper tube being sheeted into pieces, then it will be delivered by the conveyor and comes to here. Here you can see we have a sensor. It's from Germany SICK is to check the folding, check the paper bottom folding. This part is also controlled by Germany lens servo motor. So with the sensor under the servo motor and also the PLC, so the machine can correct the bottom folding very high precision, about 1.5 millimeter. Varies. There is another sensor to check the original location for the bottom folding. Once the original location of the bottom folding roller location changes, so the machine will stop and show on the error page and alarm. So the paper perforation, the paper sheet and breaking, and the bottom folding is controlled all by a Germany lens servo motor. So you can set on the touch screen. You can set where you want to perforate on the touch screen. You can set the paper breaking on the touch screen. You can set the bottom folding on the touch screen. So the paper bag lens is controlled by servo motor. You can set on the touch screen. Meanwhile, bottom folding there is another bottom gluing knife with glue for the paper bottom. This unit is for bottom glue supplying. It with a sensor to check the bottom glue level. If the bottom glue is not enough, then it will feed the glue automatic. If the glue in the small tank is enough, then the glue will stop the glue feeding automatically. So it's an automatic system. And there we have another gluing tank for bottom glue. So for one machine, there are two glue supplying tank. One for side glue, side coat glue supplying, and another for bottom glue, bottom coat glue supplying. They are independent. After that, the final paper bag of the final bottom paper bag will be delivered to the collection table. We have a counting system. You can set the quantity whatever you like. Usually it's 25 bags, or usually it's 50 bags per stack. You can set, usually it's 50 pieces. You can set whatever you like. You can set 100 maybe. So the procession of the paper bag machine is finished.